They ask how you're feeling, they ask if you're happy, and they want you to be happy with it. They're my go-to, that's what I said to them. Yeah, they said get the dog in.
Oh, did they?
Yeah,
Did they?
yeah, we did actually. Well, my boiler hadn't completely broken down, but I could see it was going that way. Occasionally, I'd turn the heating on and it wouldn't come on. I'd get in the shower, fingers crossed, and hoping it would be hot. But I thought, I can't carry on like this. They were so lovely, they were so professional, so clean and tidy. I didn't have to worry, I could just let them get on with it. I could go out, take the dog out, and leave them here and know everything would be fine. I had a tank, and I had a tank in the loft. I often thought, what if there was a little leak? So I was pleased when I realised that would be going. I had a tank in my airing cupboard too for the hot water, and it's great now because I've got so much more space. The bedrooms that aren't being used, they can be turned right down now. I've got the thermostat in the lounge. Before it was on the stairs, which is a bit odd. The thing is, as well, it's so quick. You turn it up and the radiators are on and they're hot within minutes, it seems. The shower's better because it's working differently. Now it's pressurised, so that's much better. Everything is much better. I know if I've got any problems, I've only got to ring up and they'll be round or they'll explain over the phone. I'll definitely recommend them, yeah. And it's every reason. It's all across the board with it. It's their friendliness, their reliability, their professionalism.